Welcome back to Kids Story World, where every story is a brand new adventure. Today is the final chapter in the tale of Mama Duck and her 5 little ducklings. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Chapter 5. Growing up, the pond had never looked so beautiful. Golden sunlight sparkled on the water, and 5 young ducks, no longer tiny, fluffy ducklings, splashed and zoomed across the surface like little feathered rockets. "Daisy, don't splash your brother," Mama Duck called from the bank. "He started it." Daisy quacked back, and Dix laughed so hard he did a backward somersault right into the pond. Splash! Everyone cracked up, even Mama. But as she watched her children play, Mama Duck felt something warm in her chest. She remembered when they were 5 tiny eggs. She remembered teaching little Dix to swim. She remembered the stormy night they all huddled under her wings. And she remembered searching the reeds for little Pip, her smallest, until a tiny peep answered from behind a mossy log. So much had happened, and yet here they all were. "Mama, watch me!" shouted Pip, running along the bank before leaping into the air on big, strong wings, the very same wings that once couldn't lift a feather. Pip soared in a wide loop over the pond and landed with a very splashy splash. "Did you see?" Pip paddled over, eyes shining. "I saw every single second," said Mama, and she meant it. As the sun dipped below the trees, all 5 ducks floated quietly beside her. The sky turned pink, then orange, then the coziest purple. "Mama," said Dilla softly, "are we grown up now?" Mama looked at her, really looked. "Almost," she said with a smile. "But that's the best part. Growing up doesn't happen all at once. It happens every time you try something scary. Every time you help someone else. Every time you get back up after a tumble. Does it ever stop?" asked Pip. Mama laughed, a warm, wonderful laugh that rippled out across the water. "Not even for mamas," she said. The 5 ducks snuggled close as the first stars appeared, and somewhere in the reeds, a frog began to sing. Growing up wasn't about leaving the pond behind. It was about being ready whenever the sky called to fly. The end. And that's a wrap on Mama Duck and her 5 amazing ducklings. Remember, just like Pip and the whole family, you are growing up in moments too. Keep being brave, keep being kind, and we'll see you next time on Kids Story World.